Hey guys, how's it going? This is George from TechLunar.com. Yes, that will be the intro you're gonna be hearing from now on, and in this video I would like to illustrate the reason of why we moved from TechPocket to TechLunar, and talk a little bit about of the future of what we will be doing in the future, what we'd like to achieve together, and talk about a bit of our website that we have for a YouTube channel right now. So first of all, why did I change the name from TechPocket to TechLunar? Because I felt TechPocket was only targeting handheld devices and devices which fit in your pocket. So it wasn't really a name which referred to everything that has to do with technology. While TechLunar, it's a more broad name. It's like a name which focuses on technology. And so you may ask, why did you change the name from TechPocket to TechLunar? Well, because from TechPocket, I feel like this name was only targeting handheld devices. So people were getting confused, were getting confused of what this channel could be about. But TechLunar actually makes more sense that this platform or community actually target about everything that has to do with technology. And I've been asked a lot about this. So I want to make this also another part of the reason why I changed. And also because this is an available name, it's a more unique brand, I will say, more unique community, and yeah, it sounds nicer. And now some of you may have seen the change, may already have seen the new logo and the new channel art on my YouTube channel. So some of you may have seen the YouTube channel art, Inspire, Connect, Grow. So I want to go through of what each of these means and what I would like to achieve from that. Well, together actually, what we want to achieve. So Inspire is by creating the best content as possible and providing the best help as possible with the purpose of you guys to learn. And next we have Connect, so that will be that you guys can like for free, completely for free, come and form a community. Like all of us will be a community, and from that why do I say community is because we have a website, and on our website I created this forum where you'll be able to go there and post your questions, maybe take the videos from our channel and post them there and ask like a bunch of questions and have a discussion about my videos there. And the reason why my forum, why I also designed the forum, because you may ask, what is the problem with the comments? Well, I mean, the comments is more convenient with me because I can post the comment rather than just having to go to your website, log into your website, and post the forum. Because in the forum you can post images, you can post visual graphics of the problem that you're having. So it'll be a lot easier for someone else to help you. And also, you earn reputation. Like the more you help, the more contribution you put into the community, and hence you'll be more likely to win any sort of giveaways, or maybe win some promotions and stuff like that. Like everyone will have a chance, but the more you contribute, the more you help the community to grow and expand, then the more opportunities you may gain along the way. And also, of course, we have Grow. Like all of us, we're gonna be learning something new. We're gonna be you're gonna get notified of every new post that we make and every new like tutorial article, and of course you're gonna be helping others, and then you're gonna be asking questions and others will be helping you. So these are the key areas how you're gonna be growing your knowledge and how you can expand for that. Because I want and on top of that, and what I would like to achieve from that is to change the perspective of people think about technology. I don't want people to think of technology as a daunting place, as a scary place, or a place where it's very complicated and simply they think that they cannot do it. I want them to think positively. I want them to think that technology is a very fascinating place, is a very cool place. Will be very interesting for me to join a community or something. So, and boom, they have this community where they can join, they can learn, they can meet other supportive people with a similar mindset, or maybe with the same mindset, and we can all grow together and create some sort of impact in the society. So that's what I would like to achieve together. And now I would like to do a very quick tour of my website. It's going to be a very quick one. So the website is called TechLunar, so techlunar.com, and this is like simply the landing page. Is not nothing really, thing to talk about. Like here you have the articles, here you have like some stuff from the forum, and from here if you want, and this is how the blog will look like. This is how the article will look like. So here you have the article. You may have some videos, and here you can literally say how you like. You can react with an emoji, how you felt about this. Like if you felt like, for example, happy or maybe angry. Be honest. Just feel free to let the author know, and we're gonna walk through this together and fix it. And obviously you can type a comment and have some other promotions. And also if you feel that this article was worth a handshake, don't forget to click on